So here I am about to enter the virtual art gallery, looking at my avatar, but I'm gonna make some changes to it. So I'm gonna pick my name, username for the room. I'm gonna go to change the avatar. And here's the avatar selection screen. I'm gonna grab my guy here on the right. And this is where it gets fun, because now I'm gonna be able to select an image off my computer and turn that into the skin wrap on my avatar for the virtual gallery. So I'm gonna open up my computer here. I'm gonna go through my files, and this is a great way to maybe use one of your NFTs that you've been buying to cover your avatar in. So this is super cool, super fun. Here I am just going through my files. I'm gonna grab one of my NFTs. I think I'm gonna grab, let's grab one of my light punks. So yeah, here we are. Now my light punk is wrapped around my avatar. So I'm gonna rename this guy Light Punk. Save it. We're gonna go back to that other screen now. And then I'm gonna click on the new light punk setting I made. And now I'll be ready to join the virtual gallery space with my avatar wrapped in my NFT. And yeah, hopefully you all go and do this yourself and get excited for Halloween. See ya.